What's up, guys? Welcome back to Chronic Eats. We got carnitas tacos, a different version this time. So, like the third one I brought you in the last month. Got some avocado, cilantro, and green onion. Monterey Jack. This stuff, the Reezer's Baja Cafe. Pico de Gallo salsa. Zero sour cream. Got some spare guacamole over here, bag of chips, and some refried beans. Okay, let's do it up. Got these two tortillas, of course. Yeah, back for the mukbang portion. I thought I was recording, it fucked up. You never know with these things. Plus I'm a stoner, so I don't hit the right button, or I don't hit any, like whatever happened, I don't know. Anyway, back for the mukbang part of this video. Dude, calm down. Check that out. Yeah. So money, guys. There's no wrong way to do a taco, is there? No wrong way to do a damn taco. Stop. Dude, she's crazy. No. Yeah. Dude, so bomb. So good. The pork, the cheese, two different cheeses. There's tortilla on there too. Green onion, cilantro, refried beans, sour cream, money. Come on, you don't need to waste that shit on a napkin. Just lick it off. Don't be afraid. Don't be scared. You can do anything you want. Yeah, loving the burn on that hot sauce. Woo. Really good right there. What are you snorting out? Paris. What's up? What are you doing? Yeah, this shit's awesome. And right on the bottle, it says 1,000,000 Scoville units. Yep. Which isn't really super hot, but there's some zing there, you know. No, it's not that bad. To some people it might be, but not to me. beautiful. Dude, you can do this at home. It's so easy. Like, go out to the taco truck. It's gonna be $3.79, you know? Do this at home for a lot less. Alright guys, thanks for checking in with what I'm. Love you guys as always. Smash that like and subscribe button. Please leave a comment. I like Cringe YouTube crap, and I'll see you guys next time. Have a good one. Chronic Kids out. Peace.